task board, and task list pages. There are two different pages within the task portal where you can view your tasks. The first page is the task board and the second, the task list. While viewing these two pages, you can also filter to display the desired set of tasks. These filters are also called views. There are 7 types of views. First is the active view. This displays all the tasks in the system that have status as not started or in progress. Next is the main view. This shows all the tasks in the system across all the status categories. My Tasks filters only those active tasks that are assigned to you. That is, the tasks that have status as not started or in progress and are assigned to your name. My Tasks Active. This displays all the active tasks that are assigned to you or are the teams you are part of, for example, the sales team. My Tasks All. This shows all the tasks across all the status categories that are either assigned to you or your teams. My Tasks Overdue filters all the active tasks that are assigned to you and your team and have surpassed the due date. Overdue. This view displays all the active tasks in the system that have surpassed the due date. Using these filters, you can easily view the desired set of tasks on your page. The task board displays tasks grouped across 4 statuses: not started, in progress, on hold, and completed. To view the details of a task, double-click on the task tablet. To navigate back to the task board, click the task portal breadcrumb as shown. On the task board, you can also change the status of the task by moving it to the respective status group. To do so, click and hold the task panel and drag it to the respective group. Be sure to lock in those changes by clicking Save. The alternative view of tasks is the task list. To view the details of a task, double-click on a task from the list. To navigate back to the task list, click the task portal breadcrumb as shown.